My name is Cool, and I want to introduce how the internet works and what is the structure of the whole internet. And you can see this is what I want to introduce from in this ways because there are 5 different layers. I think it will be much more easier to explain. It contains a lot of different. First one is application, transport, network, and link, and the physical layers. So let's start with the basic one. The physical layer is actually the kind of, for example, if I want to send a message to the computers, how I can connect it to the different computers. This we will use a line or radio wave or something else to get to make 2 different computers get connected, and this is what I call the physical layer. And the second one is that once I want to actually transfer from some information, actually the computers just can understand the digits. It can only can 2 different digits, that is the 0, 0 and 1. The 2 differences have a unique sequence, and then it form form a packet and showing up the waveform. And so actually the data cannot actually just simply send to another computer directly. It will just break into small pieces and then apart, then send to another computer. That's what we call the link layer. Actually, it's more important. And so if I want to get sent to much more complicated, if there is 4 different computers and I want to make sure that it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 different computers. So if I want at the early period, actually the internet is not called internet. It is called Ethernet. I'm not pretty sure that I use the correct words, but that is the thing it used. And if I'm trying to get connected, this is the 4 computers just connected to each other, and I want to send a message from 1 to 3. But actually in the early period that it cannot make sure that just send 1 message. Actually it send the message to all different 3 computers. But how can make sure this computer is the right computers? This is the right person that it will open it. So it send a message such like this. From the at the Ethernet, the name of the packet is called a frame. Yeah, frame. And it contains 2 different information, that is the head and the data. The head contains the information of the addresses. It contains IP addresses, both the person who sent this information and who will receive this information, and the form of this data. That is form like PDF. I'm not pretty sure that it's just invented at that period. No, I'm not pretty sure, but it's just a form of the data, and this is the way. And so the frame and the way it send the way it's one computer sent to every different all the computers. We call it the broadcasting. And so this well, it's just a small internet. So that we became a bigger one. Such as the worldwide. The IP addresses from the Russia, China, United States, and United Kingdom. Sorry, a little bit like R. That's my bad. United Kingdom. So there are 4 different areas of the world. And how to make sure that I will send to the right person that I just want to access to the website I want to access. So that we will need an MAC addresses. Sorry. MAC addresses is a kind of addresses that is unique to, it is unique from the one, because every new internet card will have a unique MAC addresses from all over the world. It's different. It's very special. So it allows people to get connected to each other from the worldwide. And the form of the MAC, the whole IP addresses, will be the MAC addresses, IP addresses, and the data. Oh, you can notice this is a frame. Yeah, this is a frame. This part of this the frame, and you can learn it. And you can see this is pretty much important. Very interesting things. And so this is actually the network layer and the transport layer. So the application layer that we're talking about, it will be same that we're understanding that the form of these data cannot be understood by us, so we need to let it show into the form that we can understand. So the data actually, the form is actually still is 0100101001111 or something else. So how can I make sure that the application layer is actually we can work with it, and is transferred to the website, to the form, to the packet, to the actually the layer we can work with. So if I want to open a Microsoft Word documents, so it will shows firstly it will open this document and then transfer it to the form that we can understand. This is how the internet works, and this is the structure of the whole internet. Thanks for watching.